Okay, now we're going to draw the spacer. Diameter 30. I just need 3 lines pitched off the centre of that hole to draw this. I will need a come down 180mm, and then I come down 120mm. That's enough to do everything that's necessary. So from that, let's just now pitch off a radius 25mm hole and a radius 30, and in the middle drill 13.5, 3 holes. I'll come back and drill them out later. And of course off here we need to pitch a 55mm circle as well. Now we're just going to draw tangent lines. Let's just actually mirror these 3 lines. Now let's just clean up the gaps. Now we need a 13.5mm hole. We need to drill 3 of them. Diameter 13.5. And there's one. Down the bottom, it's a 25.25mm. 1 cheek plate drawn. 25.25. Done. It's 12mm in cross section. Offset that by 12mm. Let's just get this 13.5. Of course, we're drawing a sectional view. So let me just pitch across where those lines are going to. That one there comes across to here. Let's just now remove what's unnecessary. By selecting that line first, you delete everything coming up to it, like that. So there's our cross section drawn. Let's give it 60 degrees. And there's the cross section of our cheek plate. There's the face of the cheek plate.